36 men can complete a piece of work in 18 days. All right. In how many days will 27 men complete the same work? Okay. So this one is very simple. Now, 36 men, okay, men full of energy, okay, can use 18 days, okay, 18 days to, complete a piece of work. And the question says, in how many days will 27 men complete the same work? Okay, so we know 36 men with 18 days. We know any number less than 36 will use more days. This one is very simple. Okay, so 27 men are going to use more days because they are less than this. Okay, so if 36 men are using 18 days, okay, 27 men will use more days. Okay, so if 27 will use more days, okay, so this one will be a simple proportion. So if more less device and if less more device, so we have 36 on 27 times 18. Okay, so we can make this side over 1. So 3 here, 9, 3 here, 6. Okay, 3 here, 2, 3 here, 3, 3 here, 1, 3 here, 12. So we have 24 days. So this one makes sense. Okay, so 36 men, they are many, so they will use less days. Okay, lesser days, 18 days. So 27 is 24 days. So this one makes sense. All right.